audio is just as crucial as visuals when it comes to video content. A well-paced voiceover or narration can dramatically boost viewer engagement across your videos. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to correct a slow speaking pace using the free audio editing tool, Audacity, helping you enhance viewer retention, whether you're creating content for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or any other platform. You can download Audacity for free using the link in the description below. Let's get started. Begin by opening Audacity. Navigate to File, Import to bring in your voiceover file. The first technique I'll demonstrate is a lesser-known but highly effective retention tip for voiceovers. Before applying any changes, let's listen to the original audio for reference.
Hey there! Welcome to the channel. If you're looking for an affordable way to kickstart your career in tech or business, you might want to check out the ALX Professional Foundations program. It's a solid option for anyone serious about building key career skills, and today, I'll break it all down for you.
Next, select the entire audio track by pressing Ctrl-A or by double-clicking it. Then go to Effect, Special, Truncate Silence. This feature helps eliminate extended pauses from your recording, an excellent way to maintain viewer attention, especially on platforms like YouTube. Set the tool to detect silences below mash 40 decibels that last longer than 0.3 seconds and reduce those gaps to exactly 0.3 seconds. Click Apply, and you'll notice that the overall duration of your audio has been reduced. Let's preview the edited version.
Hey there! Welcome to the channel. If you're looking for an affordable way to kickstart your career in tech or business, you might want to check out the ALX Professional Foundations.
It sounds much tighter and more engaging. Now with the track still selected, open the Effects panel again. This time, go to Volume and Compression and select Normalize. Normalization adjusts the audio levels so the loudest part reaches a consistent peak volume, enhancing clarity without introducing distortion. Finally, go to File Export, Export Audio, and save your updated voiceover as an MP3 file using the default settings. And that's it. You've now optimized your voiceover for better pacing and clarity, making it more likely to retain your viewers' attention.